The St. Pauli Elbtunnel, an international landmark of Hamburg. The renovation is still running and we give you today a very special inside view.
Herr Greve, thanks for your time. What are we going to see today?
Wir werden verschiedene Abbruchphasen.
We'll take a look at various phases of the demolition work, including a demolition robot that does some of the initial heavy work. And then we'll see how the rubble is removed by hand. Before we enter the eastern tunnel, we've had to put on protective clothing and masks. Why is that? Well, at the moment we're doing the demolition work close to the street and the air is polluted with lead, and that's why we need suits and masks. Now we're getting a really special insight here with a view of the tiles. Why are they currently covered up? Well, we had to protect the new tiles, partly because of the lead pollutants in the air and dust, and also to protect them from physical damage. And we have regular inspection hatches so that we can check whether the new tiles are okay. And we've now arrived at the place where manual work is being carried out. What's happening here? Well, that's the exciting bit. What is the tunnel going to look like when it's finished? And it has to be done manually, so that the steel frame doesn't get damaged. But it's going well, and the steel is in good condition. Down there you can see St. Pauli. We're pretty much in the middle of the tunnel here, and this half is finished. And the work can be passed on to the next contractor, which renovates the joints. So what are the next major steps ahead? Well, we have to look carefully at the condition of the joints. That will take some time, and then the joints and rivets will be renewed depending on what condition they're in. But we have to look at each individual rivet and do it rivet by rivet. Once we've done that, the next step is reconstructing the pathway. That will be the next highlight. It's a great project, of course. It's great to see. You can see what it looks like behind the sheets. It looks really good. And I'm sure that once the pathway is finished and the tunnel is fully renovated, it will make a great impression.
And that was our very special visit of the construction site in the St. Pauli Elbtunnel. Thanks for watching us. See you next time. And as you say in Hamburg, tschüss.